Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha, and if you're new, welcome to the fun. In today's video, your girl Rihanna has just launched a new Fenty foundation, and it is called the Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I know Rihanna knows that spring is here and it's almost summer, so she's just gone ahead and done the perfect thing. I wasn't sure what shade I needed for my complexion, so I went onto YouTube and I looked at other YouTubers got a similar complexion to what I had, and from there I was able to make my decision of what shade I should purchase. So the foundation in normally ranges shades up to 50, whereby the skin tint, the shades are up to 25. So this is where it becomes like normally you can just go and get one shade, but now they've blended one shade into two. So with the foundation, if your shade is normally 340 to 425, then with the skin tint, the shade you would need is 14 to 19. And if your foundation shade is normally 420 to 498, then you need the skin tint shade in 20 to 25. Seeing that I normally use the 420 foundation, I went ahead, got the shade 20, and I also got the shade 21. To me, the 20 does look a bit light. It does say that it's light to medium coverage for all skin tones, so everyone is included. It blends and blurs to instant perfection, and it's also light as air. And there's no flashback, which is perfect, because you know when you take those pictures for the gram, you want to make sure that your pictures is flawless. And I think with this, I seen Rihanna, and when she put it on, her face looked flawless. So I can't wait to see which of the shade would match my skin tone perfectly. I'm gonna show you with my fingers the shade 20, how it looks on my face, and that is the shade 20. As I can see, yeah, it does look really yellow, whereby the shade 21, that does look a bit darker. It's got a darker tone. So I think for me, I'm gonna go in with the shade 21, because I think, as you can see from the shade 20, it does look really light, and I think that won't match my complexion very well. I'm going to apply my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I'm just going to apply a little bit all over my face. I think for primers, I do love using them because it does give your makeup a more flawless look, which I do love when you do put your primer on your face, because you want your makeup. Everybody likes light but flawless makeup. I am going to be using the shade 21. I'm going to use my finger. I know Rihanna said it like drops, but I'm just going to rub it in my fingers, and then I'm going to apply it on my face. As you can see, that's a bit better in it. That shade is much nicer. Put some at the top as well. It makes me feel like if I'm applying a moisturizer to my face, which is good. Like I said, it's really light, and this is like such a perfect thing for you to wear now that it's coming on, now that it's spring and almost summer. What I'm just gonna use my beauty blender sponge and just blend it in. Because it's such a light coverage, if you do want to have a medium coverage, you can just add a bit more. But I think for me, this is what I'm gonna be wearing all summer. Because look at that. It just blends. I don't think I need to do anything else because it just looks so light, doesn't it? Perfect. Rihanna, you've done well. I love this. I love the way that it makes my face look. See, very light and very comfortable and very smooth. Look at that. Oh, I am impressed with it. Look at that. I think I prefer the skin tint more than the foundation because it's more of a natural look. So it doesn't even look like if I've got any makeup on. Love it. So now I'm going to go ahead with my concealer. I'm going to use my Dio concealer. I'm not going to put too much on, just a little bit. And then I'm going to my brows. So with my brows, I did just line and then fill. you can see, that's my brows done. Bags conceal because nobody wants those bags under their eyes. Like I said, the makeup is so light. Look at that. You can't even tell I've got makeup because it just blends and it just blurs everything out. I'm not sure if you can see, like I had like a little bit of spots and you can't even see them, can you? Oh, Rihanna, love like the different Fenty beauty products. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Sash of Buttercup and just apply a little bit under my eyes and my laugh lines and maybe on my crease as well. I'm gonna do this really light because I don't want it to be too dark. Just like that. As you can see, it's not too heavy. I think if I was going out like in the night, I would probably do like I would do it a bit deeper. But like I said, I don't want it to be too dark. I want it to look like a really light, natural makeup look. Almost like I'm wearing makeup, but it's not like really a makeup look. So if I'm looking down, I must apologize. I'm just going to use my mirror just to make sure that I'm doing my eyeshadow the way that I would like it with my eyeshadow palette. So now I'm going to start off with the brown just to give it that line. Just a bit of brown. It's got a bit of sparkle to it. I'm not sure you can see that. I'm just going to apply it to my eyes. I'm trying to tone down the orangeness. Then I'm going to go back with the orange and then that's it. What do you think? Gold one, just to give it a little bit of color to my pop, make my cheek pop. So it's gonna go a little bit like that. I'm just gonna remove like the setting powder I did put on my face. Just make sure you just get everything away. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lipstick, and I'm using the L'Oreal, and this color is No Dependency. It's more like of a chocolate looking tone, which I think is perfect because I just want my lips to look a bit dark on the outside. Normally I don't line my lips, but when I do nudes I normally use 2 lipstick, whereby I'm just going to go in with the pink one. This is a light pink shade, so it's definitely going to give you, like I say, the new lips, and just going to make sure you blend it all in. And as you can see, look, it looks, like I said, it looks like I've got no form of makeup on, even though I've just done like all of that bit that I just did, applying like the skin tint. Like I said, the skin tint, if you're looking for something that you want to wear whereby you don't feel like if you have like loads of makeup on, this is the perfect thing for you to wear. It's very light, it goes on very smooth. There is no time wasting applying like the foundation. Make sure I apply a second one. But like I said, thank you very much for watching my Rihanna Fenty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. I was going for like a natural looking makeup look, and I think I've achieved it. Comment down below and let me know if you think I have. And like I said, Rihanna's done so well, you know, getting like foundation that would match every type of skin tone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please share my video, and also hit the notification bell. Give this video a like, and I will definitely catch you in my next video. Do take care and be safe. Bye. I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it.